Do you want to become an open data practitioner and start your own open data initiative? Do you want to integrate open data into the strategies of your organization or manage an open data project? The course Open Data Strategy addresses the organizational and technical understanding of open data, offers a strategic approach to data management, and provides tools and processes for the implementation. Public sector managers can profit from that, as well as IT professionals and practitioners in different topical domains. The participants will learn how to design an open data strategy and speed up the processes to open the public sector. They will deepen their understanding of open data and systematic data management for their organization. The course is offered in a blended learning format, a mix of online and classroom trainings. In Part 1, participants learn online with videos, prepared contents, and exercises. In Part 2, they meet face-to-face and deepen their skills while interacting with other participants and the trainer. Enroll now!